Hitler justifies his order, which was aimed at the rivals. Upshifts given as choice A means the change to a higher gear in a motor vehicle, and so choice A is incorrect with respect to the environment of the passage. Upright means anything about decency or honesty which is not a matter of concern in the passage, so choice E is also eliminated. Upwings as choice B denotes an increase in strength or quantity, an upward trend, and upthrust means the upward thrust or movement as choice D. But Hitler ordered against the rebels, and so the blank is followed by no further as a negative aspects. No further as a negative aspect. So upheavals as choice C means a violent or sudden change or disruption to something. An increase in strength or any upward movement both can denote both the sides of Hitler and his rivals. So choice B and D create confusion, although they have relevancy to fill the blank. In this context, upheavals as choice C perfectly matches to meet the negative aspect with respect to Hitler's order to stop the rivalry and any kind of violation from the rebels. So choice C is the correct answer, and we can eliminate choice B and E. Choice B and choice D. The correct answer is choice C.